Hello friends, welcome to Frying Pan channel. This is Masur and today I'm going to tell you how you can make a bootable pen drive on Mac OS so that you can use it as a bootable device on any computer. Okay, so to do this you just need a normal pen drive. So in this case I have used a SanDisk 16 GB pen drive and I think it's good to go with it. Okay, so if you have any other pen drive, maybe it's SanDisk or Transcend or Western Digital, doesn't matter, you can use it. Okay, so let's get started. First we will go to terminal. If you cannot find it, just search it on the Spotlight and from there you type terminal, you will get the terminal and follow the commands that I am using. Okay, so initially it will be to identify what the drive name is, and because I will only write the OS into that drive which is my external which is my pen drive. Okay, you can also run this search and this is best way to go because you will be identifying what are the storage devices attached to your system and on which device you are writing it. So be sure that you select the right drive which is your pen drive so that you don't mess up with writing the OS into the pen drive. Okay, and this OS, once you write in the pen drive, you can use it on any computer to install the system. Okay, so let's get started. Please watch my video till the end, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Okay, if you have any requests regarding any videos you want to see, any videos or any questions you have, please leave them on the comments and I make sure that I'll make a video on it. Okay, so let's get started.
So here I have my terminal open, as you can see, and I'm writing disk user list so that I get a list of all the disk drives attached to my system. And here, as you can see, disk 1 is my internal hard drive, disk 2 is my external hard drive, and disk 3 is my pen drive. Okay, so I got the disk name, and now what I will do is I'll write disk util unmount disk /db /disk 3 because I have to unmount this disk. So once I press that, once I press enter key after entering that command, it will unmount my disk 3. You can see here it's written unmount of all volumes on disk 3 was successful. Now I'll write sudo space dd space if equals to and what I have to do is I have to drag and drop the ISO file in the terminal. So now I'm looking for the ISO file in my downloads folder and from there I'll drag and drop to the terminal. Okay, it is Windows 8.1 single language which I wanted to install in my Windows computer, so I have to make this pen drive bootable. Okay, so let's see. And then proceed with the command of equals to /device /disk 3 space bs equals to 1m, then enter, and after that it will ask you for your MacBook password. So once you enter the password and hit enter, the process begins to start. Okay. So now the system is writing the ISO file into the bootable pen drive. Okay, so we have to wait for some time until this is over. So now the pen drive has been burned with the ISO file. As you can see here, it's written 2971 plus 1 records in and records out, and 311553436 bytes transferred in 850.377037 seconds. So it means my pen drive is ready for use, or I can use it as a bootable device on any Windows compatible system to install Windows. I hope that helps.